Congratulations, Alexa Ilacad, Kid Estrada, Maris Racal, Andrea Brillantes, SB19 emerged as a top winners for a Push Awards 2023 kahapon in-announce. Andrea Brillantes, Kidilex were among the top stars and the rising digital personalities and who were crowned as a winners for the virtual awarding ceremony for the 9th Push Awards held Friday, March kahapon po yan. Andrea won 2 awards as the Trending TikToker 2023 and Social Media Personality. Congrats, Andrea. While Kidilex, the triumph as the Popular Love Team 2023 for the 2nd year in row. Kung matatandaan po ay nanalo din si ang Kidilex sa Push Awards din, Popular Love Team. So pangalawa na po ngayon ng Kidilex. And also SB19 was also a big winner after the bagging 3 awards, the Music Artist and Fandom 2023. There are loyal supporters called Atin, and the group was also awarded the Push Inspiration of 2023. A special non-voting category for their remarkable achievements and influence the P-pop scene. SB19 member Philip won individual award as a breakthrough music artist. Congrats! Samantala, nag-trending naman si Maris Racal sa Can't Buy Me Love, kung saan kasama nga Jennings doon sa kanilang napaka-comedy ng kanilang pinakita sa on-screen performance. At dito naman sa real life partners were also recognized. Their touching stories of love stories, Vice Ganda and Ayon Perez were held the power couple, and also Elise Hoson and Makoy De Leon honored as the celebrity parents. Kasama din ang Bini Pop Group and also Milay Contiveros and Jason Francisco. Recognized din sila sa content creator for their feel-good, inspiring family videos. So ayan, congratulations sa lahat ng mga nanalo. Sa Kidilex naman, nakadalawa na po yan sa Push Awards. Congrats!